Hello everyone. Question is AW Computing wants to prevent user from updating the account annual revenue field to be a negative value or an amount more than $100 million. How should an administrator accomplish this request? Option A. Create a validation rule that displays an error if account revenue is below zero or greater than 100 billion. Option B. Build a scheduled report displaying account with account revenue that is negative or greater than 100 billion. Option C. Make the account revenue field required on the page layout. Option D. Enable the account revenue limits in setup with 0 as minimum and 100 billion as maximum. Question is Ursa Major Solar is noticing a decrease in deals with a cross-sell opportunity type and wants to share all cross-sell opportunities with a team of subject matter experts in their organization. The company has different roles and the organization-wide default opportunity is set to private. How should the administrator accomplish this? Option A. Add the subject matter experts to a public group and give them access to records with a criteria-based sharing rule. Option B. Change the organization-wide default for opportunity from private to public reader right to open up access for subject matter experts. Option C. Enable territory management. Assign the subject matter experts to the same territory and give them access to the records with manual sharing. Option D. Create a new role for the subject matter experts and give them access to the records with the owner-based sharing rule. Correct answer is option A. Question is AW Computing would like to improve its case lightning record page by including a filter component to display a message in bold font when a case is saved as critical record type. Second number is quick way to update the account status from the case layout. Which two components should an administrator use to satisfy this request? Option A. Related list. Option B. Related record. Option C. Record details. Option D. Rich text. Correct answer is option A and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is an administrator supporting global team of Salesforce users has been asked to configure the company settings. Which 2S should the administrator configure? Option A. Login hours. Option B. Password policy. Option C. Default language. Option D. Currency local. Correct answer is option C and option D. Question is Dreamhouse Realty needs to use consistent pick list value on a category field on accounts and cases with value respective to record types. Which two features should the administrator use to fulfill this requirement? Option A. Dependent pick list. Option B. Global pick list. Option C. Multi-select pick list. Option D. Custom pick list. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is Northern Trail Outfitters wants to encourage employees to choose secure and appropriate passwords for their Salesforce accounts. Which three passwords policies should an administrator configure? Option A. Maximum invalid login attempts. Option B. Prohibited password values. Option C. Require use of password manager app. Option D. Password complexity requirements. Option E. Number of days until expiration. Correct answer is option A, D, and option E. Question is the sales manager at Dreamhouse Realty wants the sales users to have a quick way to view and edit the opportunities in their pipeline expected to close in the next 90 days. What should an administrator do to accomplish this request? Option A. Create a custom report and schedule the sales users to receive it each day as a reminder to update their opportunities. Option B. Enable Sales Console to show users how to open a tab for each opportunity in the pipeline that meets this requirement. Option C. Create a list view on the opportunity object and recommend users switch the view to Kanban to edit by drag and drop. Option D. Make a new sales dashboard and add a component that shows all opportunities that meet the criteria. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.